It's so easy. You'll smell like cookies. How to keep black flies away
naturally.
I recently spent 2 nights camping with my car at Denison Park.
Where exactly is that?
That's right here in the foothills overlooking the city of Ojai, California. But I wasn't alone. And be sure to stick around to the end of this video to learn the best natural ways to deal with these pesky insects. Black flies are small and they bite. And they're sometimes referred to as buffalo gnats because they have a humpback thorax.
Hey man!
The day is getting on.
I got my tent up already.
Yet little did she know that her evening would be cut short by unexpected visitors.
It's the morning after my first night at Denison Park. I'm sitting in my car because there's black flies.
Occupying the campground.
If you stand in one place for any length of time, they will start attacking you. I know there's vanilla that you can use for black flies, but I didn't realize I would need that for California. I figured there'd be no bugs. It's dry, right? One of the keys to keeping black flies away is to know how and when to avoid them. So I moved to the picnic area and the flies are still here, but they're not as bad.
Black Fly 101.
They're most active in the spring and early summer, but can be a nuisance deep into the fall months depending on where you are. They're daytime creatures. They're most prevalent near moving water,
and
they prefer the protection of shade instead of open sun and wind. When in doubt, move into the sunlight. Yeah, so I might have to pick up some vanilla today.
Black Fly Natural Defense Clothing.
One of the easiest things you can do to protect yourself from black flies is to minimize exposed skin. Wear a long sleeve shirt and long pants, and if possible, tuck them into your boots or socks. And make sure they're light colored. Black flies are much more attracted to dark clothing.
Fascinating.
Wear a hat to protect your head and tuck in a bandana or scarf under the hat and let it hang down over the back of your neck. If you're traveling to places like northern Canada in the spring, you're probably going to want to bring along a full head net.
Natural Scents.
Vanilla extract. Even the cheap stuff has worked well as a fly repellent for me. Just dab a little on the same places you would perfume or cologne. Your wrists, your neck, and then also by your ears. It's so easy, and as an added benefit, you'll smell like cookies. Essential oils are another option. Lavender, clove, mint, rosemary, pine, lemongrass, and citronella are all worth a try to see which works best for you. These methods may not be quite as effective as using a commercial insect repellent, but if you're looking to avoid strong chemicals like DEET, these alternative scents do work, especially if you combine them with proper clothing and the knowledge of when and where to avoid black flies when they're at their worst. Black flies.
Go outside! Outside is good!
Until next time, this is Tashai. Have fun on your travels.